Hey, Romeo. Wow. Good sir. I've got some good and bad news. You and I both suspected that your 675 here was not starting because potentially there was water in the gas. I'm going to take you inside the gas tank because my goodness, it is not subtle in any way, shape, or form. The question is, how did so much water get in there? I haven't examined your gas cab yet, but I'm guessing that's likely how it's getting in there. The key is a little bit difficult to turn on this gas cap, but here, let's just quench the suspense. So anything that you see in that gas tank that is orange in color is rusty water. So suffice to say, your gas tank is absolutely full. So let's just zoom in here real close, real tight. So you can see the line of gas towards the bottom left corner of the view. That's clean gasoline there. And then if you look at that little black nipple right in the middle of the screen, sort of, that is water. And if I just shake the bike, you can see how the gas moves on top and it settles down. But you can clearly see the water still moving underneath there. So you have got a lot of water in there. I apologize that my camera work is not very good. I'm not much of a cameraman, but there we go. There, now we can see. But yeah, you can see just how much water there. Wow, bro. Okay, we're going to get all that out of there and get this bike to start. Jumping Jiminy's. Whew. At least now we know for sure our suspicions were correct, right? Because, yeah, you rode the bike home, parked it, and then it wouldn't start. And yeah, clearly, let's get that out of there. Okay, got the gas pumped out of your gas tank, and I'm pretty sure you should be able to see this with my such good camera skills. But yeah, so really what you're seeing in here, this, of course, the clear part is the gas, and then the orange part is all the water that was in your gas tank as I've since evacuated. I know it looks like my camera lens is like foggy, but that's just how murky the gas is. So we got it all out of there, but you can see by the dirt on my hands just how clear the lens is on my camera and just what it's trying to focus on. There's the reflection of the lamp in the gas. All right, so all that is out of there. But more importantly, where's my flashlight? Here. More importantly, yeah, all right. It's what's left inside that is going to be our concern. You got a fair amount of rust in there. I'm going to recommend that we pull the gas tank, pull the pump, get in there and scrub upside down as much of the rust out of there as we possibly can. That will remove the bulk of it. But I think really what our concern is, you see over there in the crack, the crevice, try to zoom in here just so we can be very specific. But you see in the crevice of the gas tank, yeah, there we go. Yeah, now we're talking, baby. Whoops, don't move. Okay, right in there. That's our concern. We can remove the other rust that's, the big patch behind it. But what's in that crack could be a considerable issue. Part of the reason why I want to pull the pump is because this white cylinder holds a sort of filter. There's a fuel filter inside there. It kind of looks like a human sock. And there's some like spooled up, it almost looks like steel wool, but that's a filter. And we want to get in there and get all whatever's from the gas tank. We want to get whatever's in there out of there because it's just going to continue to plague you with more issues. This, of course, is at your discretion. If you tell me, Paul, just ignore this, put fresh gas in the bike, make it run and go, you absolutely can. But I don't think you'll be too happy not too far down the road if this bike fails on you, or even worse, mid-corner, in traffic, whatever. I really, really, really want to impress upon you that we should pull the pump, pull the tank, pull the pump, get it out of there, and at least blow it out, let alone clean it out. But I hope that you'll agree with me on that, but I'm going to put this video together, send it to you, and you'll give me your honest thoughts on that. Okay, moving forward. So slightly reinforcing just how much water was in your gas tank. We already know about the chain and sprockets being completely rusted out. But when I took the seat off your bike, I was like, wow, this seat's got some heft. It's pretty heavy. appears to be a Corbin seat, I would guess. But this water droplet that's quickly trying to escape the scene is rushing down the end of my bike lift to join this huge puddle of water that's being formed. And this is coming right out the bottom of your seat. I tipped it up on end to try to get the water to run down and basically exit your motorcycle seat here. So I'm going to say, if I just squeeze this, yeah, there you go. So you got a fair bit of water, same coming out on the other side there. So you got a fair bit of water. I'm trying to escape. Yeah, okay. All right.